Tucked in here behind the pomegranate trees, I've got 3 10-gallon grow bags of peanuts that we grew this year. This is our second year growing peanuts. Each one of these bags, I put probably 4 plants in each one. Now, these did have foliage coming all the way down below the grow bags, but I was out of town last week, and I think the rabbits knew that I was gone, and they came in here and did a number. But that's okay. It is the middle of October. So let me go move these bags to a better area where we can work with them and see how we did for our harvest. Hi everyone, it's Keith from Home Right. Now I've got these peanuts relocated into an area where I can harvest them a little bit better. But before I get into that, when it comes to peanuts, what you want to get at the grocery store is called raw peanuts. You don't want boiled peanuts, you don't want roasted peanuts. Those will not germinate. So what we'll do is I'll pick up a bag of raw peanuts, or I did 2 years ago, a bag of raw peanuts, and we'll put them on a paper towel, start to see if they germinate, and then we'll grow them indoors under our grow lights for probably the first 6 weeks or so, and then transfer them out here into our grow bags. That's one way that we do it. Other ways of doing it is once they germinate, you can just put them directly in the ground. Now, once again, I put them into grow bags. I just like doing it that way, but I also realize that by putting them in grow bags, my harvest will not be as big as if I were to put them in the ground, because what these peanuts want to do is continually spread out and set new tendrils and shoots to drive into the ground to continue to get more peanuts from. So I'm kind of compacting it here just into a little 10-gallon grow bag, but that's enough for us to have to enjoy it. Easy to grow all year round. Just a little bit of fertilizer. We use stuff called coop poop. We use that on all of our plants. Now that's probably a 2-4-3 mix organic slow release fertilizer. But what I like about the peanut plant is once I get them into this grow bag, I just come in, I set a drip line on them to get watered on a regular basis, and then probably 3 times over the course of the season, I'll just put a small handful of that fertilizer into them. Other than that, I just have green foliage and low maintenance until now when it's time to harvest them. These peanut plants look like a mess right now, but when it comes to harvesting them, what we're going to do is get on in to where I planted the main plant. As you can see, that's right down in here, and that's the part that we're going to give a good tug on and pull them up out of the dirt. But as you can see already, there's some peanuts that are sitting up here on the top, so I probably could have put a little bit more compost or dirt into these bags, but that's all right. Let's see how we did. One already broke off. Do some digging. Well, unfortunately some of these roots broke off here, so I'm going to have to dump this bag out. I'm not just going to be able to just pull these all out, but as you can see, there's some peanuts on here, nothing great, but I'm also finding ones like these that are just in the soil, so I know there's more roots in there. Let me dump the bag out and see how we did. That kind of stinks. Not all that many more. I was kind of hoping they would have been in there, but hopefully the other bags will be better. Still kind of a dud, but not too bad. Like I said, I wasn't expecting a ton of them. There's still some that are in the dirt that I have to kind of cull through again to see what we got. A little bit better. Like I said, if I grew these in the ground, I probably would have ended up with more peanuts, but that's all right. I'll still enjoy these. Now what I got to do is let them cure for a few weeks. Clean these up. Here's what we got in the 3 grow bags combined. By no means a massive harvest, but a couple of good snacks to have this winter and also enough peanuts for me to try again next year and see if I do better. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please put them down in the comments section below, and we'll see you on the next video.